Okay, today we're gonna make some teriyaki chicken stir fry.
Dad.
Yes? It's okay. This you can find on my balanced weight loss cookbook. The link in the bio if you want to check that out. Otherwise, it's gonna be for free right on here. We're gonna get a 5-quart non-stick pan at medium-high heat and half a tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna drop in 2 pounds of chopped chicken tenderloin bites. So it's just chicken tenderloins cut up into, oh shit, I cut up into little chunks. See? Yay. Okay, 2 pounds of chicken tenderloins going in. That's just cut into tiny little bites, about 1-inch chunks. Okay, while that chicken is cooking, we can make our sauce. I just make it in a little mason jar so I can make it ahead of time, keep the top on it, throw it in the fridge, save it for another day. That also just makes shaking up easier instead of having to whisk it, whatever. This is what I do. So, half a cup of water, half a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of packed brown sugar, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of this ginger puree, 5 grams, and then a tablespoon of minced garlic, fresh garlic. Okay, now we can just put a lid on this, give it a shake, and that sauce ready to go. Chicken is about halfway cooked, so we're gonna add the carrots and the broccoli next. We got 10 ounces of carrots, just cut up into little slices, 10 ounces of broccoli. Stir that in. Then we're just gonna cover it up and let it steam for like 5-10 minutes. Nope, not 5-10 minutes. We're gonna cover it up, let it steam and cook for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add the zucchini and summer squash. Okay, zucchini, summer squash, just cutting the ends off. Cut them however you like, but I like to just cut them lengthwise. One more time. Okay, so we're cutting them into quarters lengthwise, and just cut them up into like 1/2-inch bite-sized chunks. Carrots and broccoli I add first. They're a little thicker, denser, take longer to cook. Summer squash and zucchini cooks a little quicker, so I add that last. You could, of course, use whatever vegetables you like. I mean, if you want to swap out something for onions or snap peas or whatever. This is just a basic 4-vegetable stir fry. My wife really loves zucchini and summer squash, so that's why we use that. But it is 10 ounces of broccoli, 10 ounces of carrots, 16 ounces of zucchini, 16 ounces of summer squash. So if you were to swap out different vegetables, they're all basically the same. Like obviously avocado, that's gonna be much denser vegetable with fat. And fruit, much denser with sugar. But like if you swap out 8 ounces of zucchini for 8 ounces of onion, you're gonna get basically the same macros. Okay, now we see that steam that's started to cook this broccoli. It's getting a little softer. Chicken is almost fully cooked. So now we can add the zucchini and summer squash. Okay, throw the lid back on, let it cook for another 5-ish minutes. Take this time to clean up everything, so we have less mess at the end. Okay, after about 5 minutes, we're just gonna give it another stir, cover it for another 5 minutes just to keep steaming that zucchini and summer squash until fully cooked. The broccoli is now almost there. By the time the zucchini is there, all the vegetables will be fully cooked together. Whoops. Okay, cover another 5-ish minutes. Okay, our zucchini and summer squash, those are almost fully cooked. So now we can add our sauce. Give it another shake just in case the cornstarch collected at the bottom. Throw in all that sauce. Then we're just gonna bring it back to a simmer and it's gonna thicken up. Cover it for 1 to 2 minutes. Once your sauce thickens a little bit, and then you got your stir fry ready to go. Okay, you can then serve over your favorite rice. Maybe be fancy, throw some chives on there, some toasted sesame seeds. You can take a screenshot here for the recipe, and if you want to check out over 60 more recipes, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert using real sugars to help me lose 100 pounds, go ahead and check that out. Link in the bio. Thanks for watching, guys.